So it's 10 o'clock and 22 degrees, as Paul's just said. So another scorchio, it's looking like. No idea where we are, but there's a big church there. Well, somewhere in France. Beautiful. All we need now is a McDonald's for a breakfast. Yay, we found McDonald's. McDonald's for breakfast. Look how happy he is. Are you happy as well, Paul?
Yeah, food.
Don't go overboard. Calm down. Well, we're up to 28 degrees now, just saying. Are you feeling it, Paul? Yeah. Right. You're still attached to my helmet, that's why you're a bit wobbly. Got a bit of a caffeine. Have a short stop, have a stretch. Take some ibuprofen, because we're all old. And then crack on. What is that?
Don't know, but his mate's probably what's on my windscreen.
Oh yeah. Oh, well, we've got about an hour left before we get to heat stroke, summit, don't know.
Saint Flower.
Saint Flower. Not as in Flower, as in what you bake with. But we don't think the French will say it like that, but that's how we're saying it. I think I topped out with Le Shuttle, so that's about as far as I'm going to go. Anyway, jacket off again, cool down.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Wooded area, beautiful. So we made it, camping again, and it's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shower and something to eat. Probably see you tomorrow.
New battery.
New battery. This is what camping's about, kids. Paul being dad.
Smells quite nice. I don't know whether it tastes nice, but it smells nice.
Anyway, let's get drunk.
Oh, it's saying immediately on, so it'll be alright.
Connoisseur.
Table wine.
Well, good morning. It's 20 to 8 and we're just packing up. So was a chore, but ready for a new day. Where we're going today, Steve? Millau?
By Millau. I don't know how you pronounce it. Perpignan, isn't it?
Perpignan?
Oh, like that.
We'll go in there anyway. And we get to see a viaduct, so happy days. Right, see you in a bit. Well, we just pulled over for a coffee. I sneezed inside my helmet, so I was just cleaning the inside of my visor and my GoPro mounts fell off. So the rest of this trip Might not be with my GoPro. Oh well. Get to have an holiday now, no filming. Who knows? Have I mentioned that I'm gutted my mount's come off? Ugh. Well, we've got to the viaduct. We was going to go underneath it, but we missed our turning, so we had to pay a toll. So we're going to have to go over it. And you would have seen it for the road if my chin mount hadn't fallen off. Have I mentioned that? Anyway, there we are. It's a big one. Well, we've got to our destination. This is our room. All three of us, three little piggies in a row. Beautiful. Steve's hugging the air conditioning. It got up to about 31, 32 on the way here. Lovely through towns. So yeah, melting. Still don't know what I'm going to do about my GoPro.
Find a hardware store and see if we can buy some super glue.
Because riding through this town, it looks like downtown Detroit at the minute, so GoPro attachments might be few and far between, so we'll see. I don't know. This might be the end of me talking, it might not. We'll see. Anyways, in a bit.